Hello, and welcome to Forest Pathology at Oregon State University. My name is Hazel, and today I'll be showing you an example of Rhabdocline pseudotsugae, which causes the disease known as Douglas-fir needle blight or Douglas-fir needle cast. Either way is fine. So this is an ascomycete fungus, meaning that it doesn't have a mushroom or conch that you might be familiar with. Instead, the fruiting body is actually on the needle itself. And this one, like it says in the name, is a disease of Douglas-fir, causes some discoloration on the needle. And I'm going to just skip straight to the magnification here. So this is an older sample, so the needles themselves are not green like you would see in the field, but the fruiting bodies here are still very visible. So like I said, this is an ascomycete. The ascospores are released from the fruiting bodies when the flaps of the needle epidermis fold back on either side of the midrib. And so what you're looking at right here is the evidence of those flaps folding back on, in this case, it looks like in the center portion, it's mostly one side of the epidermis. But this is a sign of the disease, and it's also an indication that the spores have already been released from this sample. So ascospores are produced in the apothecia. That's the name of the fruiting body, and released in the spring to infect newly emerging needles. First symptoms occur in autumn as yellow spots or bands. I would say yellow or orange, depends on how you perceive the color. But by late winter, the yellowing has changed to a purple-brown mottling. So this rupturing of the epidermis follows, releasing the ascospores, and then defoliation. So this is really common in Christmas tree plantations, but you can still see this elsewhere in the wild. So again, this is Rhabdocline pseudotsugae, which causes Douglas-fir needle cast or Douglas-fir needle blight. And what you're looking for in the field is that telltale yellowing or oranging on portions of, but not the entirety of the needle. And then when you flip the needle upside down to look at the underside with the stomata, you will see these long bands on either side of the midrib. And those will be the fruiting bodies, the apothecia. So one last time, Rhabdocline pseudotsugae is the pathogen, which causes the disease Douglas-fir needle blight or Douglas-fir needle cast. Thank you for watching.